Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a full personal finance plan using Lendingclub. It's going to be a quick step-by-step guide, so let's get into it. Step 1, you're going to start with income. So go ahead and open the app, that's the Lendingclub mobile app, and then go to account settings. And now you're going to set up direct deposit so that all paychecks flow into your Lendingclub checking account. Step 2 is to set up budgeting. Tap insights and then create categories for housing, food, savings, debt, and extra. Enter planned amounts so that every dollar is assigned a row. Next step is to automate savings. Now from transfer money, you're going to schedule a recurring move from checking to savings on paydays. Label these accounts as for goals like emergency funds or travel. Next step is to manage debts. Now use bill pay to add credit cards, loans, or utilities. You can also set automatic payments for due dates, to avoid late fees. Next step and final one is to track progress monthly. You can open the Insights tab to review your spending patterns and adjust your plan. With income, budgeting, savings, and debt payments all automated in Lendingclub, you've built a full personal finance system in one place. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.